Color. What effect does it have on our lives? Have you ever stopped to think about how much a color label printer can actually help you in your business and in your daily life? In an ever-changing, relentlessly demanding market, TSC is a leading barcode label printing manufacturer and solution provider, always on the lookout for new opportunities to better serve our customers with our world-class professional experience. The TSC CPX4 series is ideal for a wide variety of applications to meet the constant influx of new market demands. The TSC color label printer can print out brilliant colors and vivid images with up to a resolution of 1200 by 1200 dpi, which enables you to make the finest labels possible in order to best represent your brand image. Our high-quality ink is able to sustain its performance over time and maintain lasting color that's both water-resistant and highly durable. Smaller self-owned businesses rely on creativity to help them stand out from the crowd. The TSC CPX4 series is able to produce the most unique labels for any occasion. In addition to simply delivering your product's promotional information, we believe our labels can also greatly enhance the value of your product. There are always demands for timely printing when planning and putting together entertainment events and other social functions. The TSC color label printer's fast printing enables quick and reliable printing done easily and efficiently. The TSC CPX4 series prints exquisite event tickets that can be commemorative and collectible. It offers the flexibility of choosing from a wide variety of customized styles and quantities. Event tickets can also be customized with individual ticket holders' personal information and photographs, making them great for identification use as well. We offer the most versatility in the printing industry today. For instance, the text resolution in our minimum printing size of just 1 inch, 25.4 millimeters, is impeccably clear, and the color and design is completely customizable according to any sudden demands or special requirements. In addition, we have the ability to print exclusive corporate identification badges. Creating new employee or visitor ID badges on demand can be done quickly and effortlessly. In the future, the market will change more rapidly, and industrial applications will be more diverse and extensive. The TSC On-Demand Color Label Printer CPX4 will continue to provide high-quality, fast, flexible, cost-effective solutions, which meet industrial standards for all applications. TSC delivers value to your business and colors your life experience.